So we're going ice racing today. Well, we're not going ice racing. Dillon doesn't know this yet, but I didn't bring my X3. I'm just not that interested in ice racing. Sounds boring and cold, and just didn't want to. Plus I didn't want to waste the money because I just bought something expensive for my X3. So, but you'll see more on that later. But yeah, Dillon and Nate are headed up there now. They're a little bit closer. I woke up a little bit late. And yeah, it should be a good day. Should get some good video. And just go up and hang out with some friends. Apparently the traffic's really bad. That's not cool. But oh well. It is what it is. I guess Dillon was putting some screws in his tires last night, and I guess Nate did too, but a lot later. But so I'll probably throw this clip in right behind this if you got any video, and then we'll just do a quick time lapse up to Georgetown.
Alright guys, Friday night, just got done screwing the tires, studding the tires. I bet you I have, I don't know, 12, maybe 1,500 screws in these. It is an obnoxious amount. And I ran out of number 8, so went to 3 Home Depots. They only had like 10 boxes. 12 boxes of number 8s, so that's 1,200, and then I went through another box and a half of number 10s, inch and a half. So we'll see how it works. Gonna get them mounted up. I might throw some more. These are the fronts, these are the rears. I might throw some more in the fronts, but gonna get them mounted up. Gotta leave at like 5:30 tomorrow, so we gotta get cracking. Peace.
So we are going to lower Dillon's RS1. You see here, a lot of the Turbo S and stuff are out there. They're pretty low, and so I think that'll help him a lot. So I hope so. We'll see.
Today, Junior.
Should be a good time. All right. I don't know if you guys can see this, but
this is sketchy. We're on Lake Sketch.
we're pretty sketched out. Like, I don't know if it'll show up on video, but you can kind of see the bubbles going all the way down. And all these cracks. Look at all the cracks. Like these big ass ones. Yeah, so, not doing it. Dillon's about to race against the YXZ. Dillon didn't win, but he did pretty good. It wasn't bad at all. Get it. Get it. Stay inside, buddy. Alright. Dillon took the whole shot again. Here it comes. Told him to try and stay inside. That YXZ has way more many studs. Getting it. Getting it. Here they come around again. Like I said, that YXZ has like 3,000 studs in his tires. Dillon just used sheet metal screws. Those cold cutters are just way better. Woo! Getting it. Dillon didn't do bad. He wasn't that far behind the YXZ. Turbo class is up next. Nate missed his first race just because it's not the easiest to figure out what's going on here. But yeah, they're about to go, so. And they're off. Damn. Come on, Nate. Turbo S out front. Nate's not doing so hot. There we go. Woo! 2020, just getting it. People without helmets in the back. That's retarded. Getting it. Alright. Oh, there goes that turbo S. There you go. That puts Nate in fourth. Not doing too bad. It's 2020 over here struggling. He's on the real struggle bus right now. Let's go look up this race. That was pretty sweet, actually. Nate did a pretty good job. Didn't do too bad. Let's go. Should be another hour or so before they race again. It's cold. We're sitting in the truck.
Very cold.
Nate's asleep, as always. That's what he does. He sleeps.
I have no idea what race we're on, so we're going to be in a hurry again.
Probably going to be borderline late, or they are, and I'm going to run and slide into the camera position and try not to fall on the ice.
Need to get to the first corner this time.
So I'm going to try to be on the other corner this time. Just get all the action shots, so that way we have the most badass video of all time.
Watch me get the whole shot and then get my ass kicked by YXZ.
Yeah, the YXZ, I think I said it in the other video. He's got actual studs. He's not just using sheet metal screws.
And he's got 3,000 of them.
And he's got 3,000 of them versus probably 1,000. So he went crazy. I think the price on those on the other things, the cold cutters or whatever they are, is really expensive. So I guess he deserves to win.
Yeah.
since he spent that much money.
We didn't know this was going to be a serious thing. We thought we were going to run into a bunch of people just messing around up here, and that hasn't been the case.
Yeah, that dude was asked Dillon specifically, do you feel your screws turning in your tires during the race? Which is pretty mind-blowing, because I can't imagine ever feeling something like that, ever. So, but yeah, it's a good time. It's a bit cold.
Windy. Very windy.
Yeah, it's windy, typical Colorado in the afternoon. Wind's starting to pick up. But, yeah, we'll get out there and hopefully win this thing, and hopefully Nate stops driving real slow.
Yeah. So Nate missed his first heat race.
Yep.
Which is typical. They let me run again, so I've got second out of two. So last, both heat races, but
we'll call it second place.
It's only me and the YXZ. It's still fun, but Nate's only got one heat race in, and then he's got to go run the main. He got fourth in his first heat race, and he probably could have done better, but.
Probably the YXZ's dad has an X3 with cold cutters in it.
Yeah,
and he's
ripping.
His whole shots are pretty crazy. So
they were saying that they race dirt bikes and quads. They've done that for years, so probably a little more experience. And again, I thought we were coming here to mess around. So
and more care. I would say more care into it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh, still fun. Still a good time.
Yeah.
It's not glamorous though.
Could be, but it's not.
No, it's not. Couldn't be.
And they're off. There you go, Nate. Looks like Nate spun out or something. I didn't catch it. There you go. In the pass, Dillon. Looks like he's doing better. This guy's not. Looks like Dillon got 5th, Nate got 6th or 7th. Nate must have spun out or something. I don't know. It was a sweet race though. It was pretty cool. Woo!
Hey! What? I thought it was this.
So I don't know if you saw it on camera or not.
It'll be all fine.
But Dillon beat Nate.
And
Somewhere Nate decided to slow down.
And 2 more.
Yeah.
Turbos.
Dylan actually passed the Turbo S.
That was a good pass too.
And but no, overall the day was pretty fun. Like we're not huge like. Sorry, we had a little bit of a camera malfunction, but hope you guys liked the video. And if you do, could you just leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and be some more videos coming out soon. Thanks.